Can you smoothly switch from I eat to I had eaten to I will be eating without blinking? No? Then this video is just for you. Before we start, let's warm up with a quick tongue twister. 10 tense teachers teach tenses tirelessly. 10 tense teachers teach tenses tirelessly. Try saying it 3 times fast without stopping. Hello friends, how are you all? As you know, I am taking a 30-day English speaking challenge, and in this video I am sharing my week 2 and week 3 mirror practice sentences. This week I focused on grammar, especially on tenses. So let's begin. This is day 6 of my challenge, but it's a day 1 of week 2. I am starting with present tense. So let's begin. Present simple tense. First, affirmative sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock. She goes to school every day. We play cricket on Sunday. My father reads the newspaper. The sun rises in the east. Now, negative sentences. I do not eat junk food. He does not like tea. They don't watch TV at night. We don't live in Delhi. She doesn't go to the gym. Questions. Do you speak English? Does he play football? Do they like ice cream? Does she wake up early? Do we need more water? Present continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. I am writing in my notebook. She is cooking dinner. They are playing in the park. We are learning English now. He is working on his laptop. Negative sentences. I am not watching TV now. She is not sleeping. They are not studying at the moment. He is not running outside. We are not talking about politics. Question sentences. Am I speaking clearly? Is she reading a book? Are they dancing? Is he driving the car now? Are we waiting for the bus? Present perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. I have finished my homework. She had cooked dinner. They have visited Goa. We have completed the project. He has cleaned the room. Negative sentences. I have not seen that movie. She has not called me yet. They have not finished their homework. He has not eaten lunch. We have not met your friend. Question sentences. Have you done your homework? Has she visited the park? Have they played cricket today? Has he completed the work? Have we learned this lesson? Present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been cooking since morning. They have been playing cricket for 1 hour. We have been waiting here since 5 p.m. He has been working all day. Negative sentences. I have not been studying since morning. She has not been sleeping well. They have not been practicing regularly. He has not been working hard. We have not been taking for long. Question sentences. Have you been studying since morning? Has she been cooking all day? Have they been playing cricket for long? Has he been working since morning? Have we been waiting too long? I speak aloud all 60 sentences, then change subject and verb. For example, I play cricket. She plays cricket. They play cricket. Now day 3 and 4. Past tense. Past simple tense. Affirmative sentences. I watched TV yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. They played cricket on Saturday. We visited Jaipur last year. He cleaned his room in the morning. Negative sentences. I did not watch TV yesterday. She did not cook dinner last night. They did not play cricket on Sunday. He didn't finish his homework. We didn't go to the park. Question sentences. Did you watch TV yesterday? Did she cook dinner last night? Did they play cricket on Sunday? Did he clean his room? Did we visit Jaipur last year? Past continuous. Affirmative sentences. I was reading a book at 9 pm. She was cooking dinner in the evening. They were playing cricket at 5 o'clock. We were studying together yesterday. He was working on his project last night. Negative sentences. I was not reading a book at 9 pm. She wasn't cooked dinner in the evening. They were not playing cricket at 5 o'clock. We were not studying together yesterday. He was not working on his project last night. Question sentences. Were you reading a book at 9 pm? Was she cooking dinner in the evening? Were they playing cricket at 5 o'clock? Were we studying together yesterday? Was she working on his project last night? Past perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had cooked food before guests arrived. They had left the park before 7 pm. We had completed the project before the deadline. He had studied the lesson before the exam. I had not finished my homework before dinner. She had not cooked food before guests arrived. They had not left the park before 7 pm. We had not completed the project before the deadline. He had not studied the lesson before the exam. Question sentences. Have you finished your homework before dinner? Had she cooked food before guests arrived? Had they left the park before 7 pm? Had we completed the project before deadline? Had he studied the lesson before exam? Past perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. She had been cooking since morning. They had been playing cricket for 1 hour. We had been waiting there since 5 pm. I had been working all day. Negative sentences. I had been studying before dinner. She had not been cooking since morning. They had not been playing cricket for 1 hour. We had not been waiting there since 5 pm. He had not been working all day. Question sentences. Had you been studying before dinner? Had she been cooking since morning? Had they been playing cricket for 1 hour? Had we been waiting there since 5 pm? Had he been working all day? Again, I speak aloud all 60 sentences once. Then change subject verbs like I watched TV yesterday. She watched TV yesterday. They watched TV yesterday. Now, future tense. Future simple tense. Affirmative sentences. I will call you tomorrow. She will cook dinner tonight. They will play cricket on Sunday. We will visit Delhi next week. He will clean his room later. Negative sentences. I will not call you tomorrow. She won't cook dinner tonight. They won't play cricket on Sunday. He won't finish his homework today. You won't go to the park tomorrow. Question sentences. Will you call me tomorrow? Will she cook dinner tomorrow? Will they play cricket on Sunday? Will he clean his room later? Will we visit Delhi next week? Future continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. I will be studying at 9 pm. She will be cooking at 7 pm. They will be playing cricket tomorrow evening. We will be traveling next week. They will be working in the office. Negative. I won't be studying at 9 pm. She will not be cooking at 7 pm. They will not be playing cricket tomorrow evening. We will not be traveling next week. He will not be working in the office tomorrow. Question sentences. Will you be studying at 9 pm? Will she be cooking at 7 pm? Will they be playing cricket tomorrow evening? Will we be traveling next week? Will he be working in the office tomorrow? Future perfect tense. I will have finished my homework by 8 pm. She will have cooked food before guests arrive. They will have played the match by tomorrow. We will have completed the project before the deadline. He will have cleaned his room by evening. Negative sentences. I won't have finished my homework by 8 pm. She won't have cooked food before guests arrive. They won't have played the match by tomorrow. We won't have completed the project before the deadline. He won't have cleaned his room by evening. Question. Will you have finished my homework by 8 pm? Will she have cooked food before guests arrive? Will they have played the match by tomorrow? Will we have completed the project before the deadline? Will he have cleaned his room by evening? Future perfect continuous tense. I will have been studying for 2 hours by 9 pm. She will have been cooking since morning. They will have been playing cricket for 1 hour by noon. We will have playing waiting for 2 hours by 6 pm. He will have been working all day. Negative sentences. I won't have been studying for 2 hours by 9 pm. She won't have been cooking since morning. They won't have been playing cricket for 1 hour by noon. We won't have been waiting for 2 hours by 6 pm. He won't have been working all day. Question sentences. Will you have been studying for 2 hours by 9 pm? Will she have been cooking since morning? Will they have been playing cricket for 1 hour by noon? Will we have been waiting for 2 hours by 6 pm? Will he arrive been working all day? All day? Again, I speak aloud all 60 sentences once, then change subject and verb. Like, I will study tomorrow, she will study tomorrow, they will study tomorrow. For the rest of days, I practice all sentences in story form. I am sharing one of them with you here, so you can also practice like this. And I also record myself. Let's start. Every day I studied English. Right now I am studying with mirror practice. I have studied English for 1 year. I have been learning since January. Yesterday I studied grammar. At 8 pm yesterday I was studying verb. Before dinner I had studied 10 sentences. I had been practicing for 2 hours before I slept. Tomorrow I will study more. At 9 pm tomorrow I will be studying speaking. By tomorrow night I will have studied 5 lessons. By next week I will have been practicing English for 2 months. I change the story topic like my studies, my family, my cooking, my travel plan, and try to use the same 12 sentences but with new sentences. Then, by the end of day 14, I have used all 12 sentences in one connected story. Big confidence boost for me. So, these were my mirror practice sentences for tenses. I follow two simple methods which are mirror practice and record myself. Remember, practice makes perfect. And as the idiom goes, Rome wasn't built in a day. Step by step, we will go fluent together. Now, I really want to hear from you. Just drop one word you practiced today in the comment or simply leave a smiley if you enjoyed this video. Your comments keep me motivated, so don't be shy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep practicing and I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.